So when it comes to the future of the automotive industry, it is going electric. It's going to happen eventually, and all car manufacturers are going to have to offer pretty much solely electric cars at some point in the future, and Bentley are not immune to this. They are continuing development of their factory for an electric future as construction has begun on integrated logistics centre within it. Now, we brought you the news that Rolls-Royce, another UK car manufacturer, there having a £300 million expansion to their headquarters in the UK. Bentley as well, they are breaking ground on something new as well. The changes are very much happening, but let's have a look at the full story here, guys, which is on the motoringchronicle.com as always. Bentley Motors has officially broken ground on its new integrated logistics centre at its historic Crewe headquarters in the UK, marking a crucial step in preparing for the luxury marquee's all-electric future. Designed to enhance operational efficiency, flexibility and sustainability, the facility will support the production of all future Bentley BEVs, battery electric vehicles, while reinforcing the brand's commitment to its Beyond 100 Plus strategy. The 11,000 square metre centre will support material processing and delivery to assembly lines, introducing advanced kitting and sequencing capabilities to optimize the handling of both small and large parts. By increasing the on-site storage footprint by 35%, Bentley will reduce reliance on external warehousing and transportation. For the first time in the Volkswagen Group, Bentley will implement a cutting-edge automated storage concept, an innovative storage and retrieval system that enhances process stability and improves material sequencing. For those that aren't aware, Bentley are owned by the VW Group, as are a lot of other car companies that you're probably not aware of, such as Lamborghini and Bugatti. The facility has been designed with efficiency and flexibility in mind to ensure seamless logistics operations with a direct connectivity to production operations. Inside, a 3-story mezzanine will house a visitor room, canteen, offices, training rooms, plant equipment, and a viewing platform for operational oversight. Commenting on the developments, Andreas Ley, Bentley's member of the board for manufacturing, said the following: "Breaking ground on the integrated logistics centre marks a key milestone in Bentley's journey to full electrification. The centre will transform our logistics operations by enhancing efficiency, managing customer variety, and integrating cutting-edge automation. This investment ensures that Bentley can offer an all-electric portfolio while maintaining the highest standards of quality and sustainability." Set to be fully operational in mid-2026, the integrated logistics centre will play a vital role in Bentley's transition to becoming exclusively electric by 2035, just 10 years in the future. I think they could do it, to be honest with you. I think they could do it, but will they do it? We'll have to see. The demand for petrol and hybrid and diesel cars is not really going away. But obviously, the UK has their rule that's going to be, 2035, when no more petrol and diesel cars are allowed to be sold in the country. Used cars will still be around. People who've already got these vehicles will, of course, allowed to be keeping them. There's no problem with that. But yeah, it sounds like it's going to be fascinating. It sounds like it's going to be a very big improvement to their facilities. And yeah, when we hear some more from it, we'll bring you here on the motoringchronicle.com as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Plenty more where this came from as well. Head over to the channel and go through a back catalogue of shows. There's a hell of a lot of them on there at the end of the day. Like, share, comment, subscribe to see when the next one goes live, of course. And yeah, have a great day ahead. See you very soon.